Hey guys, welcome back. Again, this will be one kind of a video wherein we'll not be able to actually practically do this because we don't have WEP connection. Let me see if I'm getting recorded in the first place or not. We are getting recorded, cool. So this is basically trying to crack WEP connections, but we should have a WEP hotspot or a router, but we don't. I don't know how to even set it. I tried to Google it, but I couldn't find it. So we'll just basically go through the codes. But here there is something more important which is being taught here. In this video, you'll learn how to authenticate yourself without actually knowing the key of a Wi-Fi router. That is how to associate yourself, not authenticate. How to associate yourself. Associate. Yeah, associate is the word, right? To yourself with a router. Anyway, so WP cracking conclusion: to crack a WP, we need capture a large number of packets (IVs), that is initialization vectors, random initialization vectors using aerodump ng. So we'll be capturing data through it and analyze and the captures IVs to crack the key using air crack ng. We don't need to do anything; we just have to run these commands. But the problem is the network is busy and it would take some time to capture enough IVs. So the solution for that is to force the AP to generate new IVs. So in this video, you'll not be taught how to actually force, how to generate the new IVs, how to force the AP. But yeah, so in this video, you'll be taught something. So basically, open three terminals or open three terminator. So one terminator with three windows. And the first you type aerodump ngmon, so it will list all the devices which are available near you. And this person whose video I was watching, he had a WEP test connection here. You can see test AP, ESS ID, and BSS ID is that. And yeah, it is his connection basically. So associate with the AP before launching the attack. You have to associate before launching. So what we have run here, aerodump ng BSS ID, and put the BSS ID of the this WEP connection is 6416F0EC7BF3. Yeah, same. So in channel 6, it's running on channel 6, and we just straight away save the file. Okay, you save the file, and after that what basically happens that we have, so it just starts running and it just says authentication. There is nothing below the authentication right now, and the devices connected also are not shown right now. So what we'll do, we'll use airplay on ng to do a fake authentication. So this is the final thing you need to write. You need to write airplay ng, the software name, dash dash fake auth, yeah, fake authentication. How many times you want to do it? One time. So one time it has zero base indexing, I guess. So we have to write zero and then hyphen a, and after that you need to write the BSS ID of the router. You understand what I mean by router, right? No, I don't think you understand router. But not the router. The router here. Here was the router, right? 64. This. The test one, WEP one. 64. Acha, acha. Got it right? So yeah. So we just type in the MAC ID of the router and we do hyphen H to type in our Mon0. This Wi-Fi card's MAC, MAC address. In order to do that, you have to type if config, and you have to type if config, I guess. Yeah. After that, when you just set it play, I'll teach you how to find the MAC address of yours, Mon0 kind of thing, or LAN0, whatever it is. But basically, your Wi-Fi card in monitor mode, how to find the MAC address of that and paste it here. So basically, this is a simple command. Software name, how many times? One time. Your router's MAC, the router's MAC address you want to hack, and basically that your MAC address. So fake auth. And by the way, all these videos are for educational purpose only. So all these attacks are done on our devices only. So don't try this on devices which are not yours. Ask permission before doing so. Anyway, so okay, where was I? Oh yeah, so when you just press enter, so it starts running, and when you can notice under the authentication it shows open, and under the under this BSS ID, this thing just it shows the associated devices with it, so it will start showing your device has been associated with it. So as you can see here, um, Sending authentication request has been accepted. Authentication has been successful. Sending association request. Attack. Is he carrying out the form is a crack engine? I don't know. Okay, so that's it for the video. And wait, let me just pause and I will start again after I have logged into my VMware software into our operating system. Okay, no worries. We are back in the code. And first of all, let me just connect my hot Wi-Fi card. It is connected, I think. Let's check if IW config. Huh? Some errors are happening. Gotta fix this.
Hey guys, what's up? So sorry for the pause and I feel very depressed. Suddenly, I don't know why. So anyway, so we checked IW config, it's working. Let's try again IW config and it's working. So it's currently in managed mode and we don't care about that. You just simply run this command. It is eurodump ng and 0. If you do that only, so it will show all the available devices nearby you. So we wanna where it's gone, gone down, where it's gone. Okay, it's unable to see. We'll just control C again because we lost some of the devices. I don't know how. Here dump nglan 0. So we just press C. Yeah. So first one, let's try to, try to do whatever attacks onto our device itself. Shouldn't do it anybody else. So IW config. So anyway, so we have to do this command aerodump ng basis id of my iPhone's MAC address, BSSID address, or whatever you call it, and you just hyphen channel 6, right? And we'll just save it in some file. Okay, so let's just do it then. And the one thing is very clear, like we don't have WEP encryptions. We don't have it. Sadly, we don't have it. Okay, so let's not even try. Aerodump ng. Let's type it, bro. Let's type it. Let's not copy it. I forgot. Aerodump ng. Aerodump is the spelling correct? Aerodump ng, yeah. After that, BSSID. This one about with this one. This is our BSSID of our iPhone. So crazy BSSID we got. So so we have to write channel hyphen channel. What's the channel? Channel is 6 only, right? Channel is 6. Always 6. I don't know why 6 plus nahi, just 6. Not a phone version. And then we'll just write what file we want to save our file as. So write. Let's say, keep the same name. ARP replay. ARP replay. And after that, what it's written? No, we have to just write our LAN 0. LAN 0. I think it's working. It will work. So yep, let me just I have a small screen, okay, so just kind of be kindly bear with me. Why is it so sensitive? Why? Anyway, um so under authentication it's showing PSK. Oh, few devices trying to connect it. Oh, this shows the devices that are connected to it. Basically two devices are connected to it. You know what we'll do? Now we'll become the third kind of a device that will try to get connected to it. So before knowing that we have to do if config, okay? Why if config is not working? It is working, right? It is working. So, oh my God. So this is our MAC address. Crazy. Let's use ChatGPT to get rid of. So by the way, since it is in a monitor mode, so this becomes the MAC address of our. We gotta get rid of this hyphen. So just let's open. We can open here also, and let's go to ChatGPT, and let's type in remove the hyphens with replace होना चाहिए, but yeah, with is two. Let's just add this in quotes and from this. So we have to just remove and it will get replaced with this. That's all you seek for the pattern? Yes. Control C. Copy it. Now what we'll do here, we'll just Type the command which were expected to type, which was this one. Anyway, but why is it so long? My MAC address is so long. Why? So we have to type airplay ng fake authentic airplay ng you air airplay ng is correct. Airplay ng fake auth authentication fake auth 0 minus a, and then we just do 64. Hey god, it's not 64, okay? 64. What is this? 64. Okay, this is the MAC address of the device which we are trying to get authentications, or fake authentications from, which is this. We just gotta copy this, Control Shift C. We have just copied it, okay? Okay. No, no, what happened? Huh. So let's just almost get rid of that. So Control Shift V. So we pasted what here? Our our hotspot to be connected, that thing, and then we paste in what at the end is our MAC address which we copied from here, and just copy it, and we just I got calls. I don't like calls. I hate myself right now. I feel so dead inside. So let me just paste this here. I don't think it will work, but let's hope it does. And after that we have to simply write WLAN 0. So it's not working. I'll come back after. Hey, so that's why I said like read the code properly. So okay, our code, we injected our code of trying to get authentication from this MAC ID, which was of my iPhone's MAC ID and Wi-Fi's MAC ID. But you know what is funny? The funny thing is that I feel like crying right now. And you know why? Because I feel like crying for no reason. So so weird. Like it shows like no devices are connected, which is not true actually. Let's just zoom it out. Yeah, basically, okay, some one more devices tried to connect, but it failed the authentication process. So think, yeah. So this is 9 to F4 at last. So let's see if it is F4. No, E20 is the E20 FB E2. So you can see that I tried to connect this, and so it is showing there like this device tried to connect to it. Ah, okay. But weirdly, it did not allow it. Authentication successful. Sending authentication request. Denied code 12. Wrong ESID WP. This is actually WPA2, I guess. So because of that reason, they are not allowing, this kind of authentication, or what is that word called? Associations. So let's just kill it. It was not useful. We don't even have, bro. We don't have, you know what? I'm sorry for shouting, but we don't have WEP kind of connection around us. So whatever. So this was all about the video, and I'll catch you up in the next video. Till then, take care, be safe, keep hacking. Hopefully, these boring and redundant kind of tasks gonna end, and we're gonna do something very cool like we did last time one day. I don't know when. Okay, keep hacking, and if you feel like subscribing, you can click on the subscribe button. So stay motivated, and I love you so much, and keep doing cool stuff. Let's die gaining a lot of knowledge and continuing. Take care. Be safe.